welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to be making a heart-shaped deco mesh Valentine's Day wreath. And for this wreath you're going to need some of the Dollar Tree 6-inch deco mesh. You're going to need a heart-shaped wire wreath form from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some ribbon. You're going to need some pipe cleaners, your scissors, and your hot glue gun and glue sticks. You are going to want to cut your 6-inch deco mesh at 7 inches, and you're going to want to cut your ribbon at 9 inches. You're going to want to take your pipe cleaner and cut it in half. Next, you're going to take your 3 different colors of your 6-inch deco mesh that you cut at 7 inches, and you're going to roll them in little bundles. So roll your first color, and you can do them in different orders, it does not matter. And you can hold it in your hand, or you can use a chip clip to hold it. It doesn't matter, whichever works best for you. But just roll up your little deco mesh. Okay, and then I'm going to put my 3 colors together. I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and we'll wrap it around the center of my little bundle, squeeze it tightly, and give it a few twists. To add your little bundles to your heart wreath form, you're just going to be using this center wire. And I have already added 3 bundles. Now on some of the bundles I'm going to be adding ribbon, so I'll probably do every other one with ribbon, and I'll show you in just a minute how to add your ribbon. But you're just going to take your pipe cleaners, wrap it around this center wire, flip it over to the back, and give it a few twists, and cut off your extra pipe cleaners or fold them down. And then you're just going to push them together. Now, I don't know how many bundles it will take per section since I'm doing a heart, but you'll want to make it full and fluffy. And so just push your bundles forward each time. So give me a second and I'll show you how to make the ones with ribbon. Okay, I made my little bundle. I rolled each of my colors of the 6-inch deco mesh, and now I'm just holding it tightly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 2 strips of ribbon just right on the very top. And you can do a different pattern. You don't have to do white, pink, red. You can mix it up each time. And then I'm just going to take my pipe cleaner, wrap it around the center of my bundle, and give it a few twists. And now we're ready to add it to our wreath. Now you could, if you want to, dovetail the ends of this ribbon. And then we'll just go to the center wire. And we're going to wrap the pipe cleaner around the center wire. Go to the back and give it a few twists. This is how the wreath looks with 6 rolls of deco mesh, 2 pink, 2 red, 2 white. Now I was not able to do every other one with the ribbon because I only had 1 roll of each color. So if you want to do your ribbon every other one, buy 2 rolls of each color of your ribbon from Dollar Tree. This ribbon is also from Dollar Tree. It's the 2.5-inch width, and I just let out a tail, make a loop, pinch the ribbon tightly, go to the other side, make another loop, try to make it the same size as the one on the opposite side. If you have a design, sometimes you have to twist to keep your design on top, and just go back and forth, trying to make your loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. And then let out a tail, and you'll want to have some floral stem wire close by. And I just took my floral stem wire, and I'm using the 20 gauge, and just wrap it tightly around the center of your bow and leave your wires long. To add your bow to your wreath, you're going to take your wires and thread them through your deco mesh, go to the back of your wreath, give the wires a few twists, and trim off the extra part of the wires and turn them down. Now everything came from Dollar Tree on this wreath except for the sign I'm going to use, and it came from Dollar General. It's a cute little pink truck sign, and I purchased it for $1 at Dollar General. I will write down in the drop-down box below a materials list for you. You will need 6 rolls of the deco mesh from Dollar Tree to make a full fluffy wreath. And if you want to add ribbons, every other one, pick up 2 rolls of the ribbon. I did remove the wire that was on the little pink truck sign, and now I'm just hot gluing the back of the sign. So I'm adding quite a bit of hot glue to the back of the sign, so be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. And I am just taking the little truck and pressing it onto the deco mesh and going to hold it for a little while until it dries, and then make sure you go back and fluff your loops on your bow. And I did add a zip tie to mine so I could hang it up. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button below the video on the right. And if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, click the little bell. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.